Hello friend, now let's introduce you the milling function of our BM160. The max milling area for the workpiece, the width is 300 millimeter and the length is 800 millimeter. And we already installed the milling head. See, this is an easy touch screen. This is the manual milling, and we can set in the milling detail here. This is the spindle speed. We can put the detail or choose the detail here. This is the feeding speed, and this is the working length detail setting here. After finished, that's the next, and then push the run. Okay, let's stop it. Return 0, then the work table.